Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password on tagged application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings icon on the top. Now tap on change password. Type your current password on the first row. Type your new password on second row. Confirm your password on the third and final row. Finally tap on save. And that is how you can easily change your password on tagged application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.